So spending time in nature isn't really a naturally reoccurring thing for our family, but we've been trying to make more of an effort to just go and be outside a little bit more often. Forest Falls has become one of our favorite places to go to, and this time around we really wanted to go and grill our lunch.
Forest Falls.
Forest Falls.
I didn't realize that when we were up there we weren't really supposed to grill. So we just used a little disposable one that we had and made sure we were super careful. But it took us so long to grill some hot dogs, but we did have a fun time. It was really great being able to use our winter gear that I've thrifted over the years. I love Michael and Gigi's little puffer downs and so cute. But this area is always really isolated feeling. There isn't really a ton of people that are around us except for, on the nature trails and things like that. But we love this idea of just day camping. I think next time it'd be fun to bring a tent and just take a little nap. I'm terrified of going camping alone with the family. I grew up doing it, but for whatever reason, all these podcasts I'm listening to just kind of make me scared to camp in the dark in the mountains. But these hot dogs tasted so good. We were working so hard to get them to cook on that little grill. But we really enjoyed it, and all day we were trying to get Michael to wear the hat Marco was wearing, and so when he finally put it on, it was the cutest thing ever.
Oh,
You look cute.
It's too dark. It's like a black hole. Do it again. Hiking.
This is a little stream that encouraged us to make the little pilgrimage up to the mountains. The combination of dirt, water, and rocks are just like a magic combo for a kid, I think. Michael and Gigi could play in this all day, and they're constantly wanting to go back just to play here.
It's cotton.
Yeah, something like it.
I don't think it is. Some houses that live around here in this is Riverside.
Minnie Mouse.
Oh, I can't wait to find something extra special for Minnie this year. Oh, hello, Minnie.
It's Mickey and Donald Duck.
Hello, Mickey.
Balls with boughs of holly, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly.
Yeah.
Come now, our day of carol, la 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 la. Oh, the ancient Yuletide carol, oh la 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 la, la. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Mickey.
Merry Christmas, Vicky.
Sometimes horses eat grass. Like before the internet existed in that house.
Yeah.
Look at these old things on the door. They kind of look cool. I like them before. Bunnies, hello bunnies, hello bunnies. Hello bunnies. Hi. You look so cute. Hi, Blackheads. Hi. He doesn't know what it is.
This is the bunny hut.
Let's see what they do. Oh, maybe. Mike, do your thing. It's looking at me. Oh, look at the board.
Just hot chocolate.
Happy holidays!
You try yours, Mikey? Huh? What's your name?
Yeah, what's your name?
What's your name, puppy?
He seems like a nice dog.
Yes, he does.
Hey, puppy!
Hey, puppy, you want to come home with us?
Yeah!
He's like, no, no thanks.
You guys want to see? Never seen these statues.
You think they're here for the Christmas festival? Ah!
It's alive! Right here. Good job.
This year I discovered riding the metro, and I've been pleasantly surprised at how much I've actually really enjoyed it as a form of transportation. I get a lot of worries when we're driving places about getting into car accidents and things like that, and the metro kind of takes all of that out so you can kind of focus on just enjoying the journey. But the only problem with riding the metro is if you have to switch to a different train to get to your destination. I've since realized you can figure out on a schedule which train, you can bypass all of that. But it's been super fun, and we've gone to the city of Orange, and we've also gone to San Juan Capistrano. Those two places are a lot of fun, especially if you're going with young children. There's so much to do within a walking distance. But riding the metro, man, I wish I had started doing this sooner, but we have fun every time we do it. We just bring snacks, and the twins enjoy it, and it's a lot of fun to do as a family.
It's so Christmassy. Well, right now we're exploring, and Papa wants to look at this stuff.
And I don't want to.
Very cute.